Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to build a recurring task system in Google Sheet using AI. So let's get started for the video. For this, you would need ChatGPT and a spreadsheet. I have created a sample spreadsheet over here with task name, frequency, last done, next due, and status. I want this sheet to be recurring for its status. So what I can do, you just need to copy any 3 rows of your sheet, paste it over ChatGPT and give the prompt, could you please generate the app script for this recurring status to be automatically set. Just give this prompt to ChatGPT, and as you can see, it has created the Google app script over here. What you need to do, you will see a app script, and here you will see option of copy. Just copy this particular app script. Go to your Google spreadsheet. Here you will see option of extension and then app scripts. Just go to there. It will take few seconds to load. Once it's been loaded, you need to erase it and enter the app script code just that you have copied from the ChatGPT. So once this has been done, the next thing you need to do is to save this. So in order to save this, you will see an option of this sign, save project to drive. Just click on saving project and save it. Post that, in order to make the trigger, in order to trigger it for a particular day or particular time, what you need to do, you will see an option of trigger at the left side. You need to click on this triggers. Post that, you will see another option, that is add triggers. And here basically you can set when you want the notification. You want the notification hourly, to notify weekly, notify immediately. You can set it. You can click on this plus icon if you want another hourly, daily or weekly basis as well. And you can make the changes over here. Select event sources. We want it time driven, so we will select time driven. You can select hourly, week timer, what kind of timer you want in this, every 8 hours, every 12 hours, and post that. Just click on this save button. So basically this is how you can build a recurring task system in Google Sheets using AI. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.